Hello, I'm Vinod Kumar. Oh, it's 3:30. How did I know the time? By looking at my watch, which is my hand clock. Today, let's discuss few concepts and problems related to clocks. Clocks. Basically, a clock consists of a minute hand, hour hand, and a seconds hand. The minute hand rotates 360 degrees for 1 hour and the hour hand for 12 hours. Therefore, the angle of rotation for minute hand in 1 minute is 360 by 60, that is 6 degrees. For hour hand, angle of rotation is 360 degrees by 12, that is 30 degrees. For seconds hand, it is 30 by 60, that is half degree. These are the angle of rotations for a minute hand, hour hand, and a seconds hand, and these are to be remembered. The difference between minute hand and seconds hand is 6 minus half, that is 5.5 degrees of difference, or it can also be denoted as 11 by 2 m. M is nothing but the minute space. These minute spaces are nothing but the 60 equal parts in a clock. To know the functioning of a clock, we need to remember this table with basis of 1 hour, 12 hours, and 24 hours. First property is coincide. When minute hand and hour hand coincides. The minute hand and hour hand coincides one time in an hour, 11 times in 12 hours, and 22 times in 24 hours. In case of a straight line, that is when a minute hand and hour hand are in a straight line direction, it occurs 2 times in an hour, 22 times in 12 hours, and 44 times in 24 hours. Opposite. The minute hand and hour hand are opposite in direction. Then this occurs 1 time in an hour, 11 times in 12 hours, 22 times in 24 hours. Right angles. The minute hand and hour hand make right angles 2 times in an hour, 22 times in 12 hours, and 44 times in 24 hours. This table has to be memorized, which makes the problems easier if remembered. One of the important formula which is to be memorized in clocks concept is minute space calculation formula. Minute space m is equal to 30 hours into 2 by 11. The angle between the hour hand and the minute hand can be obtained by this formula, that is theta is equal to 11 by 2 into minute space m minus 30 into hours. Let us consider one basic question based on the finding angles of a minute hand and hour hand in a clock. As we already know that theta is equal to 11 by 2 into m minus 30 hours. Given time is 3:25, that is 3 hours 25 minutes. Therefore, theta angle is equal to 11 by 2 into what is a minute? 25 minus 30 into hours is 3 hours. Theta is equal to 275 by 2 minus 90. That implies theta is equal to 95 by 2, which gives rise to 47 1 by 2 degree. Therefore, at 325 the angle is 47 1 by 2 degree. Let us consider the similar problem of the previous one. As we already know that theta is equal to 11 by 2 into m minus 30 into hours. Therefore, theta is equal to 11 by 2 into 20 is a minute minus 30 into 4 hours, that is equal to 2 ones, 2 tens, 110 minus 120, that is minus 10 degrees. Since the angle at 420 is asked, sine need not be considered, and therefore the angle at 420 is 10 degrees. That's the end of the first concept from the clocks.